Yo, what it do, my gang? What's up with y'all, boy, bro? It's your boy Jay. And y'all know my PS4, broke or whatever you want to call it. So Sony, they do have it, and they currently fixing it now. But, bro, in this video, cause I know it's a lot of YouTubers, well, a lot of up and coming YouTubers, you feel me? That scared to do YouTube because of whatever reason. But I'm gonna show y'all boys something, man. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Okay, boom. I don't know if y'all boys can see that. But go to that website. Just type in this right here. That word. And then when you get on that website, it should look like this, you feel me? You want to click. Alright, what one was it? Yeah, you want to click that and you want to go to Clip Maker. Now, this website, you can make banners. You can edit your videos, you feel me? And this right here, you can create intros. So, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to show y'all boy how to create an intro. And see, look, they even got outros. You feel me? Nigga, if you're an up-and-coming YouTuber, if you paying somebody to do your banner, or you paying somebody to do your intro, nigga, you crazy. Look at this. And they got more. So, I'm just going to do the banner I currently have. I mean, the intro I currently have. Bro, it's over thousands of different ones you can choose from. Like, they'll go to God. Bro, oh my God. But, I'm finna show y'all, boy, the one I got, man. I'm finna create it. I'm finna recreate it, man. I put Red Smoke. Because, like, my favorite artist is NBA Youngboy, bro. So, oh yeah, when you find the one you want, you just click on that. But my favorite artist is Youngboy. My computer dirty, I know y'all. Got it. This ain't gonna be my computer for long, cause I'm finna soon buy an iMac when I get the money too. But the vid, bro, you wanna click this, like let I button, then click play. It's gonna play over here. You feel me? Look how dope that is, bro. Okay, now I'm finna edit. So, you click the little check. I don't know nothing about none of this. I'm gonna be real. But like the seconds, I always put mine on 9 seconds, bro. Cause I feel like if you put it on 10 seconds, bro. I mean, if you put it on like 50 seconds, 20 seconds, like, nigga, that's your intro. Like, you gonna bore a lot of people. Like, they gonna leave, nigga. And right here, like, oh my bad. Right here, like, you can change the text and shit. Like, y'all know my name on YouTube is GDSJ. Right. And like you can put like any type of how you want them to be on there. Like I'm gonna put blood. Vim. Okay, you put ends all there, it's gonna be up there. Now it's saved over here too now. But it's gonna be over here. And like you can just play around with the rest of the stuff you wanna do, man. Like, you can add different effects to it. Then you can even add your own track. So as I just told y'all, like my ideal intro that I was gonna do before I made this, as you see, I'm finna yeah, there go when I was doing my banners, and there go the banner I actually made. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna click on. Just give me time, bro. And like, so you know my favorite artist is Youngboy. Just the clean version. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, and you know I'm just now starting YouTube, so we're gonna put this at 20. So I'm just now starting YouTube, you guys. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to be as helpful as I can. But there go the website, bro. You can make banners. You can create your intros, your outros. You feel me? You can do all that. And you can edit your videos on here, I think. I haven't yet edited a video, but I have created a banner and an intro. But yeah, cause like I wanted the smoke coming up. And I wanted the no smoke theme song in there, but I guess they ain't got that. But here go it now. Just look how that is, man. And like I wanted the beat to drop like when the lit ammunition box was opening. See the box? I wanted the beat to drop right here. Right there. But you feel me? It is what it is. That ain't my like that's just an intro I made. You feel me? I'm new to this website. My homeboy told me about it. I'm new to it, but I'm gonna get it down pat. Now to show y'all boy my intro. I mean my banner. You see that's my banner. It loading up. Which now I look at it, I'm gonna create a whole new one. Like I'm trying to get a picture of my 2K player and put them up here, but I ain't got my PlayStation. But yeah, you guys, I mean, y'all probably got more sauce than me. Y'all boys could probably do something, man. Yeah, up here, just all that pictures of me. Back in 2015. That's just how long I had the computer, bro. Alright. Man, it kinda good as fuck. But look. I mean, that's it though. Really. Alright, let me go back to the intro. Cause I know a lot of you guys have on them intros. I ain't go back. Oh. But y'all boys go, man. So, you feel me? Just don't pay nobody to do an intro for you, bro. Or an outro or a banner. You can do it right here for free, my nigga. For free. What you paying people for? Now, and you can also do thumbnails on here. But I would prefer to pay people to do my thumbnails. Cause what? It's $1 each thumbnail, like. And plus, oh y'all, let me refresh the page. But yeah, I prefer people to do my thumbnail. Golly. So you guys, this always happened to me. And look, check this out, y'all. What they say up there? Connected. See, bro, like, this always happened to me, guys. Like, I can't stand this, bro. Oh, yeah, when you want to download it, you click download, and then you're going to click right here and go to good quality. And then you're going to start the video render. So it's going to start. I ain't going to do it because I already have this saved. So you're going to start it. And then it's going to ask you, after it get done rendering, it's going to ask you, like, my bad, y'all. I gotta redo this. Cause I forgot what it asked you. But man, see, this shit gonna take too long. Alright. I mean, I ain't got no other way to put out video. I can't wait till I get a Elgato. And my videos stay 10 minutes, bro. I'll be trying to make these videos short. This shit is taking forever. I'm sorry, y'all, bro. I'm new to this. Man. It probably gonna be the worst. Honestly, I gotta hold my phone back to see everything. Well, really all you guys needed was how to download it and the website. Cause I'm pretty sure most of y'all ain't stupid. Y'all can figure it out. But I just showed y'all everything. I'm gonna have to invest in the iMac. I'm got to. Dang, high though. I saw one on Amazon for $174. It was a 21 inch. I might buy that. It ain't that high. Just the computer I need to edit videos on. But y'all, well, while they doing that, oh my God, focus, my nigga. With that website, that P word, all you gotta do is type in the P word, Panazord, so whatever it's like. Then boom, you can create your intros with this. You can create your outros with this. You can create banners with this. And I saw it said edit video. So I'm guessing you can edit video with this. Y'all, it's a free site. Like, take advantage of this, bro. Don't pay nobody what? $20, $30 just to... Nigga, this is a starter pack for YouTube right here. You feel me? But what I'm do, man, I don't know. Because I see a lot of people using this. Like, a lot of big YouTubers is realize using this, though. Okay, as you see, it's done. Then you're going to say, you're going to click download your video. Then it's going to bring you to this screen. And, like, I don't know how other computers is, but my computer down here is going to ask me what I want to do with the video. And, like, usually I go to save and then save as. And, like, I put it right, where did I? Oh, yeah. Like, I put it right here with my videos, and I click save, and it's going to download that. But, yeah, you guys, take advantage of this, though. Like, it's a really good app, man. There go, see? To my video editor. This right here can be multiple things. Y'all leave it. Y'all, I'm sorry for the quad, bro. I'm just sorry. See? Like, your background and stuff. You feel me? And you clicked on the little chat box. It's gonna say YouTube channel art. The thumbnail. You can do Twitter. You feel me? Facebook. And the YouTube channel icon. I think that's like your profile pic. Yeah, cause you see how, I think that's like your profile pic. Then you go to the templates. You feel me? So you guys, it's easy to use. You feel me? But it's your boy J, man. I'm out. And y'all, I'm coming at y'all with the bangers, bro. Just wait till my PlayStation get here. Like, I got tons of gameplay that I was just playing around with. Like, you feel me? And I do have some videos coming with Ants cooking. I do have videos coming. Me and him gonna hop on the 2K together, hoop out. So I do have them videos coming soon too. But your boy J, man, I'm out. Y'all, take advantage of it. Take advantage, bro.